Okay, I'm back. For today's video, I'm going to be replacing the lock here for this cabinet. The key has been lost, so the easiest fix is just to replace the lock, which they're very inexpensive. I have this brand new one here. It comes with different types of accessories, but we're not going to use actually none of these because the one that this one uses is like a double because it hits two levers at once. So we'll just use this one. Let's go ahead and zoom into there so that you can see exactly what I'm going to be doing here. And there we go. So first thing is we're going to remove this screw here that holds the lock in there. And pull this lock out. Let me put this down on the ground, out of the way. Now this type of lock and this one are different. This one comes out obviously from inside this housing, to my surprise, because I didn't expect it to, but that's fine. We're just gonna remove that whole housing and replace it with this one here. And let me make sure the bottom, the back part here, it's about the same because I need that square piece to align around this little square here, and they look just about the same. It'll work. Now let me get these pliers here and take out this nut. Get the brand new nut out of here. Just put this, I'm gonna put it with where the key goes upside down, so where the pins are up. That way, I'd rather have it upside down because if you have it, the pins down, dust goes in there and it could clog up your cylinder. So key upside down. It'll be my method. Okay, let me tighten this up. Now, as I tighten it up, it wants to spin the whole thing. So I'm gonna have to spin it all the way around then to be upside down the way I wanted it. And that looks perfect right there. Now, let's try it and go. Actually, you know what? I could use, so that can't spin off. Let me see if it's the same thread. No, it's not. I thought I was gonna put a double nut. Now, let's see how simple this is. Put it right through a little hole that it was at. And I drop that bolt there. Let's see if in this position it opens and closes, or I gotta do it like a quarter spin. Perfect. Perfect. Simple. 5-minute repair. Making that tight there. And now it is working like new. Okay, perfect. Let me leave a key here. Since this doesn't get ever locked, it's just to keep the door closed. So I could just leave the key on there. Let me get rid of all this other stuff. And the key is just gonna stay here. It's just to keep it locked. Anyways, that's how you replace one of these simple cabinet locks. Catch you on the next one.